What to do if you need emergency roof repairs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Have you ever noticed water dripping from your ceiling during a storm and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? You're not alone. As a roofing expert with over 24 years of experience, I can tell you that ignoring that small leak could end up costing you $15,000 or more in repairs. But here's what most homeowners don't realize until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do if you discover a roof leak, including the immediate steps you need to take to protect your home, and most importantly, why acting fast could save you thousands in repairs. I've replaced thousands of roofs that started with just a small leak, and I'm going to share the exact warning signs that tell you when a repair isn't enough and you need a full replacement. Think of your roof like your home's immune system. Once it's compromised, everything underneath becomes vulnerable. I've seen firsthand how quickly a small leak can turn into a major disaster, damaging not just your roof, but your insulation, walls, flooring, and even leading to dangerous mold growth that can affect your family's health. Let me show you exactly what you need to do to protect your biggest investment. Immediate action steps. You know what's interesting? Most people's first reaction when they see a leak is to just put a bucket under it and hope it stops. But here's why that's a huge mistake. Your roof shingles are your home's first line of defense against the elements. They're designed to create a watertight barrier that protects everything underneath. Once water penetrates this barrier, it can quickly cause serious damage to multiple layers of your home. Let me walk you through the immediate steps you need to take. First, ensure your safety. Turn off electricity to the affected area if there's any chance water is near electrical fixtures or wiring. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination. Next, contain the leak. Yes, put out buckets or containers to catch dripping water, but don't stop there. Use towels to protect your flooring and move any furniture or valuable items away from the affected area. Then, document everything. Take clear photos and videos of the damage. This is crucial for insurance purposes, and it will help professionals assess the situation. The hidden dangers. Here's something that might surprise you. By the time you notice water dripping from your ceiling, the damage has likely been happening for weeks or even months. Your roof leak is like an iceberg. What you see is only about 10% of the actual problem. Let me explain exactly what's happening behind your walls when water infiltrates your roof. First, water seeps into your wood subroof, which is very porous. This can lead to rotting and structural weakness. Then it saturates your insulation, making it less effective and potentially leading to higher energy bills. The water continues its journey, seeping into your sheetrock and potentially causing your ceiling to sag or cave in. But here's the most concerning part, and this is something many homeowners don't realize until it's too late. Mold can begin growing within 24 to 48 hours of water exposure. This isn't just about property damage anymore. It's about your family's health. Mold can cause serious respiratory issues, especially in more sensitive individuals, and it can spread rapidly if not addressed properly. When repairs aren't enough. Now, here's the reality that I've learned after replacing thousands of roofs. More times than not, roof leaks almost always occur at the end of a roof's life. This is crucial to understand because it affects how you should approach the situation. Think about it like this. When your car starts having multiple issues and repair costs start mounting, at some point, it makes more sense to invest in a new vehicle rather than pour money into temporary fixes. Your roof works the same way. Here are the key signs that indicate you need a replacement rather than a repair. 1. Your roof is over 20 years old. 2. You're seeing multiple leak points. 3. Your shingles are curling, cracking, or even missing. 4. You notice granules in your gutters. This means your shingles are deteriorating. If you're seeing any of these signs, don't wait until water is pouring into your home. Click the link in the description below to schedule a free roof inspection with our team. We'll give you an honest assessment of whether you need a repair or a replacement. Protecting your investment. Let me share a quick story that illustrates why this matters so much. Last month, I met with a homeowner who had been patching the same leak for 2 years. Every time it rained, they'd notice water spots in slightly different places. They spent over $2,000 on various repairs, only to finally discover that their entire roof needed to be replaced. Those repair costs? They could have gone toward a new, properly installed roof that would have protected their home for decades. The truth is, your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. It protects everything you value inside: your family, your possessions, your memories. When it comes to roof leaks, being proactive isn't just about preventing damage. It's about protecting your investment and ensuring your peace of mind. Here's what I want you to remember. If you notice a roof leak, take immediate action to contain the water and document the damage. But more importantly, understand that a leak is often a warning sign of bigger issues to come. Don't fall into the trap of putting band-aids on a problem that requires a more comprehensive solution. Remember, your roof protects everything you value inside your home. Don't wait until water is pouring through your ceiling to take action. If you're experiencing any of the warning signs we discussed today, it's time to get a professional assessment. In my next video, I'll show you the exact questions you need to ask a roofing contractor to make sure you're getting the highest quality roof replacement. Click the video on screen now to learn how to avoid getting ripped off by shady contractors.